What is up, you guys? It's John here, and this is a very special video today.
This video is about to change your life.
Because this tip will instantly improve your vocal ability. Instantly. So without further ado, the one thing that will help your singing voice is green tea, but not just any green tea. No. This is green tea decaffeinated. I don't do unboxings on this channel, but let's just do an unboxing right now. There you go. Look at that. Green tea decaf for everyday well-being, not just some days, every day. Later in this video, I'm going to explain exactly how to make a perfect cup of green tea decaffeinated. But first, let's talk about why this right here will instantly make you a better singer. Let's go. Well, if you've noticed that this green tea is decaffeinated, that's for a specific reason. Caffeine dries out your vocal cords because it's a diuretic, which means it dehydrates you, causing unnecessary stress on your vocal cords. Just a side note, vocal cords are made out of folds made of tissue in your throat that are key to making sounds through vocalization. Fun fact, if you sing A above middle C, it equates to 440 hertz, meaning your vocal cords are phonating 440 times per second. So you do not want any tension in your body if you want a desired sound. Before I get into how to create the perfect cup, it was a popular request on my Ave Maria video to post the whole performance of me singing it. I'll be putting it at the end of this video if you would like to watch it. And you may be asking, how does that relate to this? Well, I can assure you that I had a cup of green tea decaffeinated before performing that video. And that performance was shot in 2019. I have sung Ave Maria numerous times since, and I feel like I have improved since then, but they have been in church, and I do not feel like it's appropriate to record during church. So this is the best performance I have to show and share with you. Hope you enjoy after I talk about how to make the perfect cup. According to WikiHow, how to make tea, the first step is to have boiling hot water. You can use a kettle and it will take approximately 2 to 3 minutes. Once you have boiling hot water, you open this box, take one of these packets and drop this in the boiling hot water. Once the things in this bag mix in with the boiling hot water, you have successfully made green tea decaffeinated. Once you have tea at a desired temperature, you will instantly be a better singer. So with that said, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. If you haven't done so already, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe button, and notification bell. Thanks again for watching. I'll see you in the next video. I'll see you on Mondays.
Rosary.